if you have ever felt manipulated, deceived, pressured, this healing is for you. Take a deep breath. Boundary violations, falling for scams, are seldom about being naive. Archangel Michael surrounds you with electric blue light, clearing the fear, the pressure, the obligation, the guilt. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to question. You are allowed to say no. You are allowed to trust your inner knowing. Non korokos tarteerta stachalikas di karkanan achalaka. Rikorokos torteerta, rikorokos docholokos. Dana teerta starte, da anank acha. Lukorokos tarteerta. Lukorokos tortos di karka. Di istiortos starte, di istiortos tortos di karka. La narta startas di karka. La narta startas di kanan achalaka. Ri istiortos tortos di karka. Rana achalaka startas di karka. Liorto ostorto. Duurteerta. And where this experience has closed your heart a little bit, Archangel Raphael is coming in and bringing harmony between the heart, the solar plexus, and your third eye. Non norte astartas di karaka. Li urikostochte. Di icharakas. Dononorteerta. Dononorteerta startas di karaka. Anarteerta. It is done. It is so. Thank you. With all my love, Francie.